Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be starting the painting process for the splitters. We got the one done, as you know. The other one needs to be base coated, and then they both need their clear. So I'm going to set you guys up. I'm going to set up the garage to prep for paint, and we'll get started as soon as I finish up. So difference between painting these versus the side skirts. When I was painting the side skirts, they were silver. If I got a little overspray on the gray concrete floor, I wasn't really all that concerned about it. However, I'm painting black now, and I don't want to have to try to scrub black off this concrete. So I'm going to lay down some clear plastic to keep the concrete safe, and then get my sawhorses set up and get everything ready for spray. So watch along, and we'll get started shortly. Let's do it. I already scuffed down these skirts with the gray Scotch-Brite. Got them all nice to a dull matte finish. The end has been wet sanded down, smoothed out, evened, and cleaned off. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna do an alcohol, 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe down. Hit it one last time with my tack cloth, and then we'll get started. Paint shook, respirators on for safety. Then tack it down one more time and then get started. Well, today has been a bust on the painting. I didn't finish after the second coat because I started to notice a lot of fish eyeing popping up in the base. So if you look, you can see all the little fish eyes that are coming up in the base coat, which is surprising to me because I cleaned this panel in the same exact manner I cleaned the other one. The only thing I can think that caused it is that I've been using the same tack cloth since I started the side skirt and splitter project, and I think that the tack cloth, while picking up the lint, put something else down in its place, which contaminated the paint when the paint laid down. So I know I cleaned it, soap, water yesterday, alcohol wipe today, and it just didn't do what it was supposed to. Now I know some people are going to say, well, I mean, it's on top. You won't even see that because the side skirt will be covering it. I'm kind of a perfectionist, and if the finish isn't the way I want it to be, I'm not going to be content with it. So what now? Now, I'm going to have to wait 2-3 days, let the base coat thoroughly cure before I'm even able to sand it. I don't want to cause a bigger problem than I already have. So I'm going to let this cure over the weekend. I'll come back Monday, sand this thing down. Doesn't need to be sanded all the way. I'll probably start it off with 220, try and smooth it out the best I can with that. If I can get if I can knock down the fish eyes with 220, I'll go up around in the 300-400 range. Smooth the whole thing out again with that, and then finish it off with the Scotch-Brite one more time. And then go buy a new tack cloth, rewash, alcohol prep, and repaint. So, stand by. It's been about 4 or 5 days. Had a little vacation we went on with the kids. They wanted to go have some fun, so we did that. Came back today. It's Monday. Gonna get these splitters finished today. So, what I've already done, I already washed them, scuffed them down, and then washed them again. I got a Rust-Oleum prep wipe that I'm also going to hit them with to get off any final wax or anything, or oil that may be left over. And then I'm going to finish it off with the tack cloth. Once the tack cloth wipe is done, I'm going to shake the can, and hopefully this lays down smoother than the last one. So let's find out. Coat one down. Coat 3 is done. Time to let that one dry, and then prep the other one for clear. Both splitters have been prepped, painted, and wiped down. So now what I need to do, I need to go ahead and throw some clear on them. If you didn't watch the side skirt video, you don't know what I'm actually using. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm using the Spraymax 2K Clear Glamour. You can buy this on Amazon, eBay, CarQuest. About $20 to $22 per can. Basically what it is, it's an automotive grade clear in a can. So it's really nice for at-home use, for small projects and individual pieces. To make it work, you shake the can for 2 minutes like any usual paint, and then you take this little red cap and you pop it out of the lid, and that cap goes on the bottom right here on this little nipple. Place it down on the nipple, press nice and hard. You'll hear a little pop or a hiss, and that's the hardener mixing into the actual clear lacquer. Shake it for another 2-3 minutes and you're ready to spray. So with that said, go ahead and prep this can and we'll finish up these skirts. All right, first coat down. Let's let it sit for a minute, and then we'll put on coat 2. After 3 coats of clear, this is the end result. They're pretty glossy. Haven't found any runs yet. I've only found one spot where a bug got stuck in the clear. Luckily, it's in a place that won't even be seen or visible once the side skirts are mounted on top. So, for all the displayable area, it looks pretty good. All the displayed area is all set and ready to go. I'm gonna let these sit for about 4 days. Let the paint and the clear bake on nice and solid. And then I'll take the skirts off the car and mount them. And then you'll get the reveal of the skirts in the mount video in about a week and a half, I guess. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying what you see so far. Have a good one, and see you next time.